What's going on, guys? In today's video, I got a book. um yeah, let me pause you real quick and get you set up. It was a badass book. You'll see right now. Let's see. All right, guys. So I got a book today. What else you got a book? MTech USA. No sponsor. Nice, right? Made in China. Well, it is actually made in China. Let's see. Yeah. Well, anyways, gotta make sure I make you. Ooh, what is it? What is it? NASCAR, boy. Got this for $9.60 on Amazon. On eBay. Got it on eBay. It was, damn, bro. It got banged up right there when it fell. Should have put it in a box. But then that would have cost more than $9.60. Yeah, it would have weighed more. It's sharp as hell. It's a dagger. It's a nice one. So this book, guys, I've been wanting this for like, I think a year already. And I got it on eBay. And it's kind of heavy too. So I got it at this place. Better World Books. Maybe you want to scan it. Can it scan? Let's see. I'm trying to find you a good scanning tool. Scan it. Okay. Check it out. I need to make a video on cleaning the gun, guys, and showing you that too. And shooting it. I already shot it too. I went to this place. I'll show you too. But enough of that. Look at this book. Whoa. Bookmarker. Cool. You give me a bookmarker. Oh, it was a Baptist church up in Indiana that I guess they sell books to. And maybe look, you could scan it even better. So yeah, and I bought it. That's cool. A kid painted that. Well, a kid colored that. It's fucking cool. Damn, look at that. Whoa, what is all that? Whoa, I think cool. It's not in good condition, but that's fine. This book could be up to 50 bucks, 60, 80. Ooh, we're lucky when I hear some War Boys pass. It's like 1:30, 2 o'clock right now. This is from 2004. When I was in 10th grade. That's so cool, huh? Put it over here so you guys can see the whole thing. The foundation it started in 1936 and 1939. So if you're a YouTube channel and you like anything that has a motor, a car with 4 wheels, anything like that, you gotta have one of these books in your library. If you restore cars, anything that has to do with cars, I say you must have this book because this is an awesome book to have, guys. Toothpick. And yeah. They're the chairmans. Whoa, dude. Is that a real sticker? I can take these out. Because I've seen pictures on the internet and I didn't know. I thought they were sealed and you couldn't take them out. Oh, snaps. That's a real sticker. That's a real sticker. So if you ever get this book, it's going to come with real stickers. Wow, that one's distressed. I thought it was done like that because the book is used. Oh, I'll keep that in there real nice and pretty. All of these original stickers from... Damn, I gotta see this one. Look at this distressed one. I thought it was real distressed. I was like, what the hell? Damn it, why did this one have to get messed up? But no, it's like that. This is 1954 NASCAR logo. Damn, this thing is freaking cool. So here are the logos. 60s, 76 through, this is the actual and the original NASCAR logo, which would be 1948. This one. That's cool, right? Oh, there's so much memorabilia in here, dude. Dude, they used to do it in the sand. You know how hard it is to do that and not get stuck? How do you have to get the momentum going? Sometimes there's blue jays making noise. Damn, dude. Are you serious right now? I don't know, guys. I'm a crazy fanatic for this kind of stuff. They're reproductions. They're not. They're. Imagine if I had the real originals. Oh, that is the coolest thing ever. Man, if you're a NASCAR channel and you don't have this book, what the hell are you doing, man? Look at the original ticket. This is not a stay in pass state and is not good for gate admission. What? Yeah, reproduction. Look, damn, that looks cool. Yeah, that's weird how it says that. Reproduction. It's a good one, too. Oh, I love NASCAR, man. I've never been to one. One day I'm gonna go. Sometimes I want to see what kind of birds this is. Oh, they're the yellow little birds. Those are pretty birds. Yesterday I saw a red jay. That was freaking cool. It was all red with an orange beak, and it looked cool. Look at that, guys. You guys can see, right? Yeah, push it more that way. Actually, we need to go more this way. There's so much dirty dust over here. I'll skim through it real quick. Only the real NASCAR people want to see this stuff. Whoa, dude. Gosh dang it, this is cool. Every section has something. 1953 race week. Oh, Daytona Beach race week. Gosh dang, that's cool. Oh, certification. Ooh, how cool it is. No way. 25 cents? That's expensive back then. Damn, this stuff is freaking cool. That's a whole pamphlet, dude. Oh, my favorite page is the one I saw on the internet. I want it so bad. This is the red, white, and blue. The colors, it looks so beautiful. How beautiful that looks. The gold, blue. It's one of the most beautiful combinations of colors in the whole entire world. The annual license? What, bro? I bet you Dale Earnhardt was here. What year was he born? I have to find out what year was he born. He's here somewhere. Damn, look at this. That is so freaking cool, guys. Oh, that keeps getting freaking cooler and cooler. Look how we're making the track. I couldn't see him for all the smoke. Oh. Damn, look at this one, dude. I gotta see one. Gotcha, badass. God, so old school. 1976 brochure. Damn it, man, that's so cool. I geek out for this kind of stuff, guys. I love books too. Whoa, it's the young Dale Hart Jr. Damn, he was young. Look at those eyes, man. He was ready to race and take on the fucking NASCAR world. Hell yeah. Oh. Patches. Oh, that'd been cool if they were real patches. It's just a picture, it is. Oh, you can feel like it feels like a real patch. That's cool. Reproductions. I think you can peel that and put that on a shirt. Because it feels like you can do that. That's freaking cool. Yeah, this one's cool. Protects. Ooh, some gun cut on it. Ooh, 1978. What's in here? Chairman, welcome to NASCAR. The White House. Shit, 1978. It's a good number. Or the menu when you get invited to the White House to go munch out and go have dinner. Jalapeno cornbread. That's a jalapeno cornbread. Carrot cake or strawberry shortcake. Give me both. And you can't give me both. I damn well better give me both and everything. Good man. What else? Ooh, the 1981 NASCAR book. Get a Tide. freaking cool. $10, dude. I got a steal and a deal. Thank you guys. Look at this cool stuff. Hombre. No way. A Downhard poster. Yo, what kind of freaking stickers are those? It's trippy. Oh, it's messed up. Oh, I gotta make sure that gets pressed. That is freaking cool. Behind the wheel, he was a legend. Behind the legend, he was one of us. Dale Earnhardt. Dale the movie. It was a badass movie. Don't let me get in a race car around a track, because I'll beat all you guys. I'm telling you straight up. Yeah, I'm talking about NASCAR, not no drag strip, none of that. Well, guys. Oh, man, it just keeps getting good and good and gooder. Damn, that's beautiful colors. I love colors like this. It's so pretty. How badass that looks. Patch. You find that on eBay. Probably costs. Look at that badass picture. Oh, that's a badass picture. What is this? Just a little back cover? The poster page probably came in, huh? So it won't get all bent and out of shape or. Like that, right? Keep it flat. Well, guys, I wanted to show you this. What little bird? What little yellow bird? Man, these used to be sold in the Dollar Tree. I remember back in the day. You guys know, you know. And they were like $20 each, $25 each. Oh my gosh, they're fighting. Look how funny that is. Right there. Right now they were fighting. But check it out. Very hard to me to show you guys, but it says here it was in Canada it was $70. United States 50. They're hard to find. They're not hard to find. You can find them anywhere. Mine's a little bit bad condition, but the inside's pretty good. You can find them brand new for $40 some. They're hard to find them new, but you can. Look hard enough and you can. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.